Okay, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be installing ArchLinux. So the first step is to head over to archlinux.org. You can access that by just searching ArchLinux and clicking on the first link, the one that says archlinux.org. Now we're here. You come here into downloads. Click on the magnet link if you have a torrent client. Click yes, in my case because I have already downloaded it. And click start. Or if you don't have it, you're going to head over and click on any of the servers. Recommend this or the one that's near to your country. In my case, I'm in Colombia. Let's search for Colombia. Oh yeah, there is. So let's click on this. And this server seems to be down. This one doesn't. Okay. And we're going to click this one, the ISO. Not sign, not turned, not turned, that's ZSG, T, not zig, nothing. Either this one or this one. They're both the same. It's recommended to check the SHA 256 sums, and you can click here and the download will start. In case I'm doing it via torrent, so there you go, it's doing that. When it says sitting, I recommend stopping it because that wastes a bunch of bandwidth. Then we're going to head over to downloads. Where is it? Arch. Here it is. Okay. Now in my case, I'm not going to flash it, but if you want to flash it, you can use a tool like Etcher from Balena. Here, etcher.balena.io. Download Etcher. Download the one for your system. In my case, it will be Etcher for Linux x64. You download it, then you open it, run the executable, select your drive, select your image, the ISO we just downloaded, select the drive, and click flash. In my case, I'm going to do that in a VM, and it's recommended you do that in a VM because it may leave your system without OS. We don't want that. So I'm going to launch VirtualBox. We're going to click new. We're going to call it ArchLinux. ISO image. We click other. And we click the one we just downloaded. ArchLinux 64-bit, this is important. And this net, specify hardware. I think we're going to give it a bit more. And this will course 8 gigs. Finish. Now we just start the VM. And in this video we're going to be doing, as you can see in the thumbnail and in the title, we're going to be doing it via Arch install, so like easy method. Okay, we're going to go full screen and we want to use our arrow keys to go into ArchLinux install medium x86 support, BIOS or UEFI, depending of which system you have. Or if you cannot view or you have any disabilities with that, you select the one with speech, which is down below the first one. So you just press that. You click up and we wait a little bit until it boots. Okay, we just wait. I'm going to wait a little bit and we should be created with this script. This is the terminal, the command prompt. So let me clear this. Let's get rid of this. Okay, we cannot. So we're going to type arch install. This is only available on 64-bit devices. I'm not sure about ARM because I don't own an ARM device, and I will soon have a Verify, hopefully. But I do have a 32-bit device, and I tried, and it doesn't exist. We type enter, press enter, and in a few seconds, this depends on how much RAM and CPU cards you gave it, like how powerful is your system in case you did it natively. And it says that Arch install language, select your language, in this case English, locales, keyboard layout, select your keyboard layout and make it US, local language. You have this one, local encoding, UTF-8, back, learn some repository, select regions, regions. Okay, let's select this and this just in case. Raffle. Oh, by the way, you click with enter in the current menu and you select with space. Then to exit, you press enter again, and there you go. This configuration partitioning. If you want to keep your existing OS, you need to set up manual partitioning, and that's hard. But I recommend this one. Use a best effort default partition layout. So click, enter. I recommend one of these two. I'll do ext4 because it's best. Escape in case you misclick and click twice. Okay, nothing of this. Swap, yes. Bootloader, we can select the bootloader. I recommend grab or refund if that's available. The name is ugly. Hostname, ArchLinux is good. Authentication, not password. I recommend setting a password. Okay, so let's say ArchLinux. User account, add a user, in my case user, I don't know, and let's press user, yes, it's a super user, confirming is exit. In case you don't know what's a super user or what's sudo, that's root management account. That's like for you to access administrator mode. Yes, that's like administrator mode on Windows, or if you're from Mac, there's called sudo. This is not, I don't know, profile type. I recommend desktop, but I'm going to go with minimal. Applications, You can select this, yes. Audio, pipeline is recommended. Kernel Linux. Let's do that. Network configuration. Copying ISO. You'll need to, if you're on Wi-Fi, you'll need to reconfigure your internet. I'll show that how you do that later. But we're going to look at additional packages, and we're going to select a few packages. For example, we can select before install to install. Ooh, I like the old enterprise better. We press slash and we select a package. Packages. Firefox. Yeah. Thanks in my case. It'll go down. There you go. Yes. Install. Yes. Wait a few seconds, and we can wait a little bit. I'll show you how to do anything else later. You can go eat something, go outside, take grass, play with your brother, sister, sons if you have. And that may take a while. This usually takes something from 10 minutes to 30 or even 1 hour, depending on your internet speed, your machine specs, I don't know that. Wait a little bit. Okay. Let's switch to another terminal. Sorry if you saw black or something. That was because I was trying to do something here to go to another thing. Stop. I would also recommend you to come here a few times, because errors may occur. It says, would you like to try to select? Press enter. There you go. Content failed. Click on ArchInstall. Withdraw everything in your repositories. Wait a little bit. Columbia. Presume, by the way, you don't need to select these countries. That's because that's my location. I don't know what any of this means. Okay, swipe, loading, host name, authentication, profile type, minimal, back, application, copy, so additional packages, things, so let's keep it like this and install. Oh. Authentication, your own password. Let's keep it simple. User, console. Yes. I really recommend placing a single factor password, but it's possible. I like that because who cares about privacy, really? Okay, I'm gonna wait a little bit and try that now alert occur. And we wait. With synchronizing, it's resolving dependencies. It takes some time, right? This isn't so easy, even though it's this minute, because ArchLinux is one of the hardest distros to install. That's why I wouldn't recommend this for a beginner. I would recommend this for a power user that wants full control of their system. Someone who has experience with Linux. There are many people who have tried ArchLinux as their first distro and then real bad. No, just wait. Okay, the installation has finished. So apparently they changed this. I did not notice that. I installed ArchLinux like last year. So we went reboot system. Wait a little bit. Now we press F12. Yeah. Hard disk. We click on ArchLinux. We wait a little bit, and if you click desktop, you could have selected Plasma, Genome, or whatever desktop environment you wanted. But since we clicked minimal, we're going to install that manually. So we're going to use our user account, place our password, and what we want to do is sudo pacman-s and install the packages we want. So we can install. This is it's a good practice to do that for anything. It's like zero update. So we do that. We wait a little bit. Sudo pacman-s and Firefox. There you go. And like notables. Yeah, that's good. Do by cardiac. And we'll wait a little bit. This will install the Genome desktop environment in case you want Plasma. I think it's sudo pacman-s and the package name is KD Plasma. You should definitely install a web browser such as Chrome or Firefox. Those are the only browsers that are available in the official repositories. And we wait a little bit. And then we install GDM. I think we didn't, but I think that's including the Genome package. Yes, it is. As you can see there, it says GDM for 9.1. Okay, we wait a little bit until those packages install. That's almost ready. And it should be finishing in any moment now. And there you go. We checked that and it's checking if that didn't get corrupted or anything like that. And let's wait. Nothing should really have that happened. It never has happened to me. Loading package files, checking for complex, and we'll let it be. And then it should finish. It's really fast. And well, this doesn't have a total progress bar, but we should be able to see that this is going really fast. This should finish in less than a minute, depending on your hardware. Again, this is not your network. The network was the download part. This is the install part. We wait a little bit, and there. Oh, it's a few hundred. And go. It's doing it. Wait and now when this finishes, which should be in any moment now, there you go. You're going to do sudo system ctl label dash now gdm string, or if you're KD, it's SDDM. So we do that, and it's for what's GDM? Oh, there you go. Now we click inside your VM, and in any moment now, there you go. Waiting to go to copyright. Wasn't it right? Okay, let me restart this VM. Okay, it doesn't seem to be responding. We wait for this one. Start it again. I don't know what happened there. Let's restart again. There you go. And there you go. We type our password. Post this. And if you are following our steps, we should be getting into a non-desktop environment. There you go. Slow. No, we don't want to take a tool. Oh. Okay, your mouse seems to be broken. If we press this, we should be connected to the internet. This VM is right now. Why in the world is it using that? We should now come here. Okay, this is crazy slow, but that's only because this is a VM. If you do this in real hardware, you should be getting this crazy fast. Just that I don't have a capture card and my current SD card. So that's why I did it in a VM. Oh, there you go. You're officially on ArchLinux. So goodbye. To shut this VM down. There you go. Goodbye. I hope you like this video. I recommend you to subscribe to this channel. That will help me a lot. I like minimum 10-20 subscribers for this year. Because you know, the year I'm saying, I just started this channel. So goodbye.